Okay, look at that. A nice harvest of asparagus today from Big Mama's garden. Yes, looking good. Looking good. Look like my romaine lettuce finally has sprouted up. Some big leaves coming out on it. Come on, romaine. Continue to grow. Come on. Looking good. Look here, my butter crunch. Got a little butter crunch coming up here. Yeah, come on, lettuce. Grow for me. Just look at here. This asparagus just keeps sprouting up. Every week we're getting new growth. We're getting new spears popping up. Look at that. Look at here. Okay. Okay, asparagus. Time for another harvest round of asparagus. Look at you. Look at that one trying to come up out of the ground. Come on, asparagus. Sprout on up. Look at y'all. Okay, asparagus. Okay. Y'all looking good. Looking good. Come on. Come on, grow asparagus for us. Look at y'all. Trying to sprout out there. I see you. Okay. Okay. Come on. Look at you there. I see you. I see you. Soon my whole asparagus bed is going to be full of spears coming up. And that's going to be great. Look at that. Asparagus grown in Big Mama's garden. Okay, I think I'm going to go ahead and harvest a few of these taller ones. Look at this. It's a thick one here. Look at that. Look at that asparagus there. Yes. Looks great. Yeah, I'm going to take you on down too. Look at that. Okay. Okay, let me go ahead and harvest you guys over here. Okay. Let's see. Look at these nice ones here. Okay. Okay, I think I'll take you as well. Look at that. Yes. Okay. Okay, you tall one here. Let me get you too. You don't want to break. Okay. Got y'all. Break you in half. Cook you. Okay. Okay. Anyone else I need to? Yeah, let me get you. You're kind of tall. Okay. Let me see. One last one. And the rest of y'all But y'all continue to grow big and beautiful asparagus for us.